Hey there, my name is Simon at safeandvaultstore.com. One thing we get a lot of questions about is how to properly dial in your combination on the old school dial combination lock. Seems to be something that a lot of people have issues with. So today we're going to go over the proper procedure to enter your combination into this style of lock, as well as some basic troubleshooting steps. This is the safe we're going to be using for our demonstration. It has a Sargent Greenleaf dial, which is one of the most popular brands. And as you can see, we have the numbers we're going to be dialing to pasted above it here: 84, 25, and 94. The most common sequence you'll hear for dialing in your combo is 4 turns to your first number to the left, 3 turns to your second number to the right, 2 turns to your third number to the left, and then back to the right until the dial stops. And that confuses a lot of people. I like to start by spinning the dial a couple of times to the left just to clear it. Now our first number is 84, so we're going to turn the dial to the left until 84 comes to the center indicator 4 times. You can see 1, 2, 3, and 4. Our next number is 25, so we're going to turn the dial to the right until 25 comes to the center indicator 3 times. There's 1, 2, and we're going to stop on the 3rd time. Our final number is 94. We're going to turn the dial back to the left until 94 comes to the center indicator 2 times. There's 1 and 2. And now the dial should be able to turn it back to the right and it will stop. That retracts the bolt into the lock body inside the door and allows the safe to open. One of the most common problems we get is people not going enough revolutions to the left to start entering their combination, which is why I personally like to start by spinning the dial a handful of times. You can actually turn the dial to the left as many times as you want when you're dialing in this first number, as long as it comes to the center indicator at least 4 times. So you can't go too far. What matters is that you're doing the correct amount of revolutions when you're entering the 2nd and the 3rd number of your combination. If you've had your safe for a long time and you know that you're entering the combination correctly and that the combination is correct but your safe is still not opening, there are a few things it could be, but one of the most common is slippage. That is actually when the combination for your lock moves by a digit or more. You can figure out if this has happened to your safe by taking every number in your combination, and you can increase it by 1. So in the case of this safe, we would dial it into 85, 26, 95. And if it doesn't unlock, then you would increase it by 1 again, taking it to 86, 27, 96, all the way up until you've increased each digit by 5. If that doesn't work, you can take every digit in your combination and you can subtract 1 from it, all the way up to subtracting 5 from it. The dial combination lock seems to be tricky for a lot of users, but it really is one of the most secure and reliable options for your safe. If you tried these troubleshooting options and they don't work, we would recommend reaching out to the company that you purchased the safe from, the manufacturer of the safe, or the manufacturer of the lock to troubleshoot further. If that doesn't resolve your issue, it'd be worth seeing if your safe is under warranty, because if the dial is damaged or malfunctioning, the manufacturer should have to take care of it for you. Again, my name is Simon at safeandvaultstore.com. Stay safe.
Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest updates of all of our products and videos.